I guess here most of them get answer 1 by 3 for this problem. Wrong order. Here 9 divided by 3 times. Here 1 plus 2 is 3 to the power of 2. Here 9 divided by 3 times. Here 3 square is 9. Here 9 divided by this is 27. Here 9 divided by 27 is 1 by 3 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operations PEMDAS, this 1 by 3 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation to solve this problem in correct order. Here this is a bracket, higher priority. This is a exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication, division both are equal priority. Also this addition, subtraction both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce this left to right rule in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem correct order by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this bracket before this operation. Here 9 divided by 3 times. Here 1 plus 2 is 3 to the power of this 2. Here the next priority is the exponent. So we have to do this exponent before this multiplication and division. Here 9 divided by 3 times this 3 power 2 is 9. Here next priority multiplication and division. Here division and multiplication both are equal priority. For this equal priority we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is this 9 divided by 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3 times this 9. Here 3 times 9 is 27 is the correct answer.